What impact do international conflicts like the Iran war have on global missile supply chains? With sanctions tightening and supply chains under pressure, this conflict is reshaping how countries access and produce missile technology right now. The ongoing war with Iran has led the U.S. to impose new sanctions targeting more than 60 entities, individuals, and vessels worldwide involved in supplying Iran with nuclear and missile technology. These sanctions severely disrupt the global flow of missile components and related technology, complicating procurement for many countries and companies. This crackdown highlights how international conflicts can choke off critical supply channels, forcing nations to rethink their sourcing strategies. In response to missile supply challenges exacerbated by the Iran conflict, Australia is making a strategic move to boost its domestic production capabilities. The Guided Weapons and Explosive Ordnance Enterprise is building 2 dedicated guided missile factories, scheduled for completion by 2029, along with an Australian munitions factory. This effort aims to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers, especially as access to U.S. missiles becomes less certain amid global tensions. Experts from the CSIS Geopolitics and Foreign Policy Department highlight how the Iran war's impact on missile supply chains extends beyond the Middle East. The conflict is influencing geopolitical dynamics across multiple regions including Africa, Asia, Australia and the Pacific, Europe, and the Middle East itself. These shifts affect alliances, military procurement, and defense strategies, underscoring the broad reach of missile supply disruptions. Australia's desire for more U.S. missiles faces new hurdles as the Iran conflict restricts missile availability. Political and economic pressures linked to the war make acquiring advanced missile systems more difficult, prompting Australia to accelerate domestic production plans. This situation illustrates how conflicts can delay or block allies' access to critical defense technologies, forcing them to adapt quickly. With the Iran war showing no signs of ending soon, countries are investing in long-term solutions to stabilize missile supply chains. Australia's construction of missile factories reflects a broader push for self-reliance. Meanwhile, sanctions and shifting alliances will continue to shape the availability of missile technology globally, requiring nations to innovate both politically and industrially. What this means for you is simple but urgent. International conflicts like the Iran war can directly affect the availability and cost of defense technology worldwide. For countries like Australia, this means building more local factories to ensure security. For everyday people, it signals how global tensions can ripple into defense strategies and national security. Stay informed and subscribe for updates on how these conflicts might impact global peace and your safety.